Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Quiz Maker plugin for WordPress. This powerful tool lets you create interactive quizzes directly on your website, enhancing user engagement and providing valuable insights. Whether you're looking to educate, entertain, or collect data, this plugin offers a straightforward solution. We'll cover everything from installation to publishing, ensuring you can build your first quiz with confidence and ease. Getting started with the Quiz Maker plugin is incredibly simple. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to the Plugins menu and select Add New. Use the search bar to find Quiz Maker, then click Install Now and Activate. In just a few moments, the plugin will be ready to use, and you'll see a new dedicated menu item on your sidebar, marking the beginning of your quiz-making journey. Now, let's dive into creating your very first quiz. Navigate to the Quiz Maker menu and select Add New Quiz. Here, you'll define your quiz's title and description. You can add various question types, like multiple choice or true/false, and customize each one. Remember to set important parameters, such as a time limit of, say, 2 minutes or specific messages displayed upon quiz completion, making it truly interactive. Once your quiz is perfectly crafted, publishing it is a breeze. Simply copy the unique shortcode provided by the plugin and paste it into any page or post on your WordPress site. Your quiz will instantly appear, ready for your audience. Don't forget to explore the robust reporting features, offering insights into user performance. Plus, consider advanced options like leaderboards or email notifications to further enhance the quiz experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.